Hello students, today is our lecture subject applied mechanics. It's chapter introduction. Then I will explain any topic according to your syllabus. Broadly speaking, mechanism is the physical science concerned with dynamical behavior of bodies. It deals with the motion of bodies and the force that cause these motions. Broadly speaking, kita ਕਿਹਾ mechanism is the physical science. Physical mechanism, mechanics is the physical science concerned with the dynamic behavior of the body. It deals with the motion of bodies and the force that cause this mechanism. Mechanic lies at the core of much engineers analysis since such behavior is involved in virtually all the situations that confront an engineer. The civil engineer with the buildings, the mechanical engineer with the machines, electrical engineers with the microcircuits housed and protect person to the aerospace engineer with the plate. Therefore, mechanics plays a greater role in engineers. It is the oldest of all the physical science, as is evident from the fact that our modern knowledge of gravity and the motion was established by Isaac Newton in 1642 to 1727. Engineers are generally engaged in planning, design and construction of various structures. ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰਸ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਵੀ ਜਨਰਲੀ ਇੰਗੇਜਡ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਪਲਾਨਿੰਗ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਉਸ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਨੂੰ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨਿੰਗ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਕੰਸਟਰਕਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦਾ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਸਿਵਲ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵੈਰੀ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਟੂ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਆਲ ਸੱਚ ਜੌਬਸ ਇਕਨੋਮਿਕਲੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇਕਨੋਮਿਕਲੀ ਤੌਰ 'ਤੇ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦੇ, ਜੋ ਕਿ ਸਸਤੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਿਆਰ ਹੋ ਗਈ. ਦੇ ਮਸਟ ਹੈਵ through knowledge about the principles and laws of mechanics. Through knowledge of principles and laws of mechanics. This chapter deals with all such fundamentals as essential required for the familiarize ourselves with the science and the art of engineers as it exists in our day-to-day life. Mechanics is a branch of physical science which deals with the motion of body and also the forces which cause this motion. I have also explained mechanics is the branch of mechanics. एक physical science ਦੀ branch ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਡੀਲ ਕਰਦੀ ਆ motion, body ਦੇ motion and also forces which cause this motion, and therefore it is the basis for understanding the behavior as well as the design and analysis of all machines and structures. By studying mechanics, knowledge is obtained regarding the motion of body, forces which cause this motion, as well as the effect of force upon the bodies on which these forces. Engineering mechanics. It is the body of knowledge that deals with the applications of mechanics in engineering. एक बॉडी है ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਡੀਲ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਐਪਲੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਮਕੈਨਿਕਸ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Engineering is the practice of making structures or devices which meets certain desired performance requirements. Engineering is the practice of making structure the making the ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਦੀ practice ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ devices ਦੀ meets which means desired performance requirements the principles of mechanics which we all have studied in the subject of physics are universal and are also applicable to any problem in engineering as well as engineering mechanics deals with the analysis of physical system and these are done by using principles of mechanics based on simple assumptions so as the determine the forces which cause motion of rigid body. Engineering mechanics is therefore a subject which will memorize us to apply the laws of physics in order to economically design the components which we come across in the field of engineering. Concept of engineering mechanics. In our daily life, we see structures like a building. In a daily life ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ buildings, structure of buildings ਦੇ bridges, scooters, cars, bicycle, rickshaws, electronic casing, gears, pulleys. Various components designed are in contact with each other to serve certain functions in our daily life. In case of car, scooter, etc., all the components are rigid bodies which do not undergo any deformation. Engineering mechanisms deals with the analysis of physical system to accurately predict the force or motion. Concept of engineering mechanics starts with Sir Isaac Newton, who introduced the concept of force, mass, gravity, laws of motion in 1686. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ concept of engineering mechanics ਦਾ ਸਰ ਇਸਾਕ ਨਿਊਟਨ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਿਊਸਡ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਾ ਫੋਰਸ ਮਾਸ ਐਂਡ ਲਾ ਆਫ ਮੋਸ਼ਨ ਇਨ 1680 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ after this James Watt gave us knowledge of horsepower in order to complete the performance of engines. ਇੰਜਨ ਦੀ ਪਾਵਰ ਵਧਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਹਾਰਸ ਪਾਵਰ ਦੀ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਐਂਡ ਜੌਨ ਬਰਨੌਲੀ gave the principle of virtual work with process of time. Lot of developments in that field took place and development of this subject gained momentum in the second half of 20th century. At the present, with the advancement in the mathematics and other sciences, it has touched new height. ਹੁਣ ਦੇ ਜ਼ਮਾਨੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਐਡਵਾਂਸਮੈਂਟ ਇਨ ਮੈਥਮੈਟਿਕਸ ਐਂਡ ਅਦਰ ਸਾਇੰਸਿਸ ਇਟ ਹੈਜ਼ ਟਚਡ ਨਿਊ ਹਾਈਟ ਨੂੰ ਛੂਹ ਲਿਆ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਦ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਆਫ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਪਲੇਜ਼ ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਵਾਈਟਲ ਰੋਲ ਇਨ ਦ ਲਾਈਫ ਆਫ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰਸ ਮੇ ਬੀ ਏ ਸਿਵਲ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੀਕਲ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰ ਮਕੈਨੀਕਲ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰ ਐਰੋਸਪੇਸ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨਿਕਸ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰ ਐਂਡ ਸਟਰਕਚਰਲ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਆਫ this subject plays a vital role ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਰੋਲ ਪਲੇ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਤੇ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰ ਦੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿਵਲ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੀਕਲ ਮਕੈਨੀਕਲ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰ ਐਰੋਸਪੇਸ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨਿਕ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰ ਐਂਡ ਦਾ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ shows the various branches of engineer mechanics various branches of engineering mechanics mechanics of fluids, ideal fluids, viscous fluid, compressible fluid, and engineering mechanics. Mechanics of solid deformation bodies, theory of elasticity, theory of plasticity, theory of material rigid bodies, static bodies of right rest, dynamics, kinetics. Next topic is applied mechanics. It is the branch of a science which deals with the study of various laws of mechanics as applied the solution of engineering problem. Applied mechanics ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਦੀ ਬ੍ਰਾਂਚ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਡੀਲ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਆਫ ਵੇਰੀਅਸ ਲਾਜ਼ ਆਫ ਮਕੈਨਿਕਸ ਦੇ ਲਾ ਨੂੰ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ ਅਪਲਾਈਡ ਟੂ ਸੋਲਵ ਦਾ ਪਰ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਸੋਲਵ ਦਾ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ as discussed earlier when a rigid body is subjected to external force as discussed earlier ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਿਸਕਸਡ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ when ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ rigid body is subjected to a external force subjected ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ external force then either the forces of resistance develop in the body or motion of rigid body takes place so the mechanics of solids is classified further depending upon the body example whether it is deformable or rigid body mechanics which deals with the rigid body is classified statics dynamics these branches of mechanics help us to determine conditions and under which the body is in equilibrium. It means either the body is in a state of rest or continues to move in a straight line. When it is subjected to external force, trajectory of a body along with its displacement, velocity, acceleration, without taking into consideration the force acting on it. Nature of motion of body is subject to external forces. Statics, it deals with the problem related with the equilibrium of body under the effect of forces. Statics ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਡੀਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਸੇ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਵਿਦ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਇਕੁਇਲਿਬਰੀਅਮ ਦੇ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਆਫ ਬੋਡੀ ਅੰਡਰ ਦਾ effects of forces the body is example solid body is at rest which means that it does not undergo any change in position solid body ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ solid body ਇੱਕ ਰੈਸਟ ਦੀ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਤੇ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ which means it does not undergo any change in position ਉਹਦੀ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਚੇਂਜ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ and as a reference system therefore it is a particular state of motion of body when it does not change its position. Some reference system, take the example of bridge which is at rest, reference system earth, but actually which is in motion as it is also rotating with the earth, what its own axis and travel around the sun. If the body is fluid, then it is referred as a hydrostatic. Dynamic, it deals with the forces and their effects on the body. Example, solid body when it is in a motion. If the body is liquid, then it is referred as hydrodynamic. It further classified ਡਾਇਨਾਮਿਕ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਡੀਲਜ ਕਰਦਾ ਵਿਦ ਫੋਰਸਸ ਐਂਡ देयर ਇਫੈਕਟਸ ਔਨ ਬੋਡੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੋਡੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਫੈਕਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਐਂਡ ਫੋਰਸਸ ਦੇ ਡੀਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਸੋਲਿਡ ਬੋਡੀ ਵੈਨ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਇਨ ਅ ਮੋਸ਼ਨ ਸੋਲਿਡ ਬੋਡੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੋਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਇਫ ਦਾ ਬੋਡੀ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਲਿਕੁਇਡ then it is referred as a hydrodynamic. It is further classified kinematics. Body is said to be in a motion when it changes its position other bodies. Okay students, today your lecture is over. We will explain next topic tomorrow.